Hello you and you and you and you, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Annie and I so welcome you to this channel. If you're new on this channel, if you've been here with me for a while, thank you again for sticking by. So in today's video I'll be getting my hair done. Crochet braids, nothing complicated. I like making it really simple in my life. Like, I don't like complications. Like, easy go-to style, like move on and get my hair done. And as it's where right now we're actually snowed in. Like, we've had really bad weather in the past 48 hours. Schools are closed, daycares are closed, like the roads are terrible, and we just snowed in. And like, oh, I'm like, yeah, let me just get my hair done. So the hair I'll be using today is the Freetress what's the name, Freetress soft baby curl. It's loose crochet hair. This is in the family of the let me see, the Jamaican bounce. No, Jamaican bounce is not Freetress. Jamaican bounce is I think that is a sensational thingy. It's more like, but this is not exactly like the Jamaican bounce. This is more like the fluffy one curl, the ringlet one curl. Now those are also Freetress, but this one is the soft baby curl. Yeah, I think the one curl is like a serious thingy. They've got the soft baby curl and they've got the fluffy one curl, because I've got clients that have used those before. So soft baby curl. Now, truth be told, I've had this hair in the house for about 3 years now. I must have bought this hair in 2019 or 2018. Definitely 2018 or 2019. It's been in my houses like forever. I'll use it. I guess it's finally time, because I need to get something done on this hair of mine right now, and this is just about like the easiest thing I can put on my head right now. Now, pardon my cornrows, they are sort of atrocious. Like, yeah, it happens. This is like the best I could come up with. I've got major pains on my hands now, and then it's just kind of like really hard doing my hair now. I got shots on both ends last year, about 7 months ago, and the pains are back. So I'm like, I'm probably gonna have to get shots on the hands again, but I just don't know. But pray for me. So this is the hair. I've got 3 bags of this. This is the first bag, second bag, third bag, all in the color 1B. 1B. I got my hair braided down yesterday, and I came here, my baby was sleeping. I just like, let me just get some cornrows, and this was the best I could come up with. So I'll just be putting this in my hair now. This is a pack. Now, I bought these online, must have been about $10 or thereabout of bag. I don't remember. I mean, like I mentioned, it's been about 3 years or thereabouts. I'm just cutting. This is how the hair looks straight out from the pack. 1, 2. Now, let's see. This is kind of chunky one. Okay, I see stuff now. The pieces are not all the same size. As such, I will not be splitting. Like, this is a smaller piece. This is a smaller piece. Now, you can see the difference. Same pack, but the pieces are different. Typically, I would have had to split the bigger pieces, but I don't really want this to freeze. I don't really want freeze for the style. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be installing each and every one of them as is. Bigger pieces stick in, smaller pieces stick in together, and then when I'm done, if the bigger pieces kind of look a bit out of place, then I might just separate them a bit. That's what I'll be doing. I've got my latch hook. Like I said, this is nothing complicated. It's an easy style to do. Like, crochet braids are really easy. Like, you just know how we do it. Like, latch hook goes on. Let me see. Let me start from here. I stick my latch hook in, pull the hair in, pull it out. Not once, not twice, not 3 times, and that's it. Then maybe for my part, which is gonna be a side part, which will be right here, I might or I might not do the hidden knots, or I might. Let me see. Given the texture of this hair, I'm thinking this might be easy to tease, so I might end up with an illusion crochet. But in all honesty, I don't even know what I want to do right now. I just know I want this hair on my head, and that's just what I'll be doing. So keep watching as I get started. One bag. And so I am just finishing up with the second bag of hair now. Second bag, I got a few more pieces to put in, and so far I am loving this style. I think altogether I'm gonna love this style because I think it kind of frames my face a little nicely, because you can tell I have a big round face. So the style is sort of like taking away a bit of the puffiness from my face. See, okay, one more piece, oh, two pieces actually, one fell. This one piece here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. That's that. I got a standing one bit here. I'm gonna stick it here, like this. 1, 2. And yep. So this is 2 bags now. Now, in all honesty, if I had really spaced this area out, I suppose 2 bags would have really completed the style. Like, it's almost complete. I only have my part area, like 1, 2, the 2 cornrows. That will be my part area. That's just what I have left. This is what 2 bags looks like so far, and I like it. It's actually light. I like the air, the texture. It's a natural texture, so it works great for what I want right now. So this is the 3rd bag. Okay, let me just pull out some and continue. So let me see. I'm just gonna do the hidden knot, nothing complicated. I'm not going illusion or anything. This is hair that tends to look good whichever way you choose to, like put it in. Even if I did the regular knots, it's still gonna look nice. So let me just do hidden knots, and that will be it. So keep watching. So for my hidden knots, on this side, latch hook goes underneath the braid, pull the hair in, and please pardon my lighting. I'm just working with the light right now. Like 1, no, 1, okay, a 2nd knot and a 3rd knot. Yeah, I'm just standing in front of a mirror right now because we got good daylight, so I do not have any light on. Hidden knot, you know how we do it. Latch hook goes underneath the cornrow. I put the hair in the latch hook, close the latch, pull it out. Now instead of pulling both ends of the hair through the loop, I just put one side. Now drop the other side. So one side, 1 knot, 2nd knot, 3rd knot, and where's the other hand? Lock it up. Now the knot now stays in between, and boom, flip it. And now if this is not clear enough, I do have a whole bunch of videos showing me do the hidden knot crochet style. I'll just put a link to one of those in the description of this, in the description box of this video, so you can see that these things are usually better explained on a client or on a mannequin, but I do know what I'm doing anyway. So this, pull, one more knot, and that's just how I'll be doing it. So keep watching. And so I'm done with my style right now. Now looking at this now, you would actually think I have bangs, but these are not bangs. It's just the hair falling across to the front. I'm actually wearing a part. Now this is my part. it's almost looking like I have bangs, because usually when I do crochet braids, I like to put my parts real close together. Like, one thing is this, if you're familiar with crochet braids, you know that over time the parts tends to widen and it doesn't look so nice. It's always hideous when you have a nice crochet style and just have this Moses part, like real wide gaping hole in the middle or the side of a client's head. So I always move I always make the cornrows real close together. So when I install it, my part for the most part is like barely visible. That's why this one, like, because of the texture of the hair and because I just did the invisible knots, it kind of looks like, oh, okay. And like, if I move this hair around now, you can easily think that, oh, she got bangs. But a trained eye will know that these are not bangs, because if I were to have bangs, I would really make this part sort of like fuller. So these are not bangs, but then I could just pretend. Let me see now. That's the beauty of this style. I may actually tweak this, like, because I still have a lot more hair left. I barely touched the third back. This is like how much I've got from the third back. I used 2 whole bags and a little bit from, I actually used less than half of the third bag, because you know it's a 2 bundle. This is 1 pack and this is like the other pack and bundle in the pack. So I might fill in the front. If I decide to switch up the style, I might fill in the front and just like, okay, and then trim and be like, yeah, I got bangs with this style now, because I've not even had a style with bangs in a long time. Good idea. I think I'm gonna do that. But anyways, this is how I'll be wearing my hair now. Now where's my part again? Whew. Where's is that? Yeah, this is my part. This is my part. Yeah, that's the part. You can see there it is right there, but it's not huge and wide like that. I do like this style. It's a mature kind of style. Makes you look like somebody's mom. I said that anyways, I'm somebody's mom, so it's not an insult. So I'll just do a bit of snipping here and there. Do I need to snip a lot? Let's see. This is supposed to come. I think for the most part, this is gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this for the most part. But good thing I have enough hair, so I could always like just fill in some more, because I think I'm gonna do the bangs and I'm gonna fill in this area and just wear bangs. But oh goodness, it's going in my eyes now. This is why I don't do bangs. We're getting all of the hair going inside your eyes. Now there's not so much to trim unless I look in the bathroom and see. I might need to like layer the back a little nicely, but with what I'm looking at right now, I don't think I have a lot to trim. So now let me see, do I want mousse for this style? I don't think so. I might experiment with mousse while I wear it, but for now I'm not going to put any product on this, not even a spray. I'm just going to leave this as is, and I like my new hairstyle, so I think I'm good for the next couple of weeks. This is how it is. I'm going to do a few snips in the back, and I'll say thank you so much for watching. I'm done finally. I can continue going about my day now. It's cute. I like it. I like it. Not bad. I just hope it does not tangle up on me, because that's